It's been 3.5 years and 6 million views since Adam showcased this bizarre medical image. I'm Watson, and today we're going to explore this image in great detail. First, let's look at foot binding. Foot binding was a practice first carried out on young girls in the Tang dynasty in China to restrict their normal growth and make their feet as small as possible. Considered an attractive quality there, the effects of the process were painful and permanent. Widely used as a method to distinguish girls of the upper class from everyone else, and later as a way for the lower classes to improve their social prospects. The practice of foot binding would continue right up to the early 20th century. The goal was to have feet no longer than 3 to 4 inches. The smaller the feet, the more attractive they were, even erotic for some, and it became a distinct mark of elegance. Comment below, do you consider this attractive? So women today still have similar procedures. Called the Cinderella procedure, Western women have their feet sculpted to be more attractive. The image itself is altered with the goal of representing the Cinderella procedure. Here are a few more similar examples. In reality, the actual Cinderella procedure looks more like this.
Exactly 2 weeks since my surgery, and today I had my stitches removed. As you can see, I still have a lot of bruising and blood clots, or I'm not exactly sure how you call this, but
turns this device and it slowly extends the bone.
A person can grow about 1 millimeter of bone each night. Doing it slowly better accommodates the soft tissues, tendons, ligaments, nerves, and blood vessels.
Interesting. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell for notifications. And we'll see you next time.
Hi guys, this is Alexa with a shout out for the team at THINERGY. You guys are helping people lose weight so they can look great. Keep working hard for those beach bodies to make this year your best one ever. Make every day count, and I love every single one of you. Thank you guys. Love, Alexa.